Welcome to another S&P Futures Day Trading Recap, where I'm showing all my Apex account balances for full transparency. You can sign up for your own Apex account with my link in the description and use my coupon code for 80% off all evaluation accounts. It's been a while since I posted a daily trade recap video, and the reason for the break is because I've been working on a new setup. I'm still testing a few things, but I've been having decent success with it lately, so I wanted to take y'all through an example of me taking the LFG setup on one of my Apex evaluation accounts. Here we have a pretty convincing downtrend on the 15-minute chart, and I've drawn my Fibonacci retracements from the most recent high before the downtrend started to the most recent low before the retracement. Al Brooks teaches that markets have inertia, and attempts to reverse a trend are more likely to fail than succeed, which is why one of his price action setups is to fade counter-trend breakouts. ICT teaches that institutional algos like to use retail stop-loss orders to fill their own entries, also known as stop-loss hunting, before moving price from premium to discount, or vice versa. In this case, I set my entry order inside buy-side liquidity pools where there could potentially be stop-loss orders at these minor highs on lower timeframes. My trade thesis was that price would move up to grab liquidity here before reversing and resuming the higher timeframe bear trend. I set my stop loss above the pivot where I drew my fib range and set my take profit at exactly 1-to-1 reward to risk. As you can see, this trade thesis plays out perfectly. I take very little drawdown after my entry, and price quickly flushes downwards to hit my profit target. Of course, not all trades I've taken with this setup are this clean. In fact, I've determined my overall win rate with this setup alone to only be about 54% right now, which is why I think certain conditions need to be further examined to identify when this setup is higher probability. Once I improve the win rate a bit more, I'll put out a setup video explaining everything in greater detail. You might have also noted that the downtrend did not actually resume, and price actually reversed after it exited, and a strong uptrend formed. This is a big reason why I set my take profit to be just 1-to-1 reward to risk based on my stop loss for this strategy. Even if you don't get the trend continuation you were expecting, if price chops around enough, your profit targets can still get hit. Al Brooks also teaches that trends rarely have immediate strong reversals. Usually a trend will become a trading range before continuing or reversing, which further makes my 1-to-1 reward to risk rule better for this type of retracement trade. Anyway, just wanted to share some insights as I further develop the setup. As you can see, I've been doing pretty well on my evaluation accounts so far, and plan to start trading my performance accounts again in October if I can continue this solid trading performance for the rest of the month. As always, thanks for watching. Please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe so you're notified of the next time I post a trade recap. In the meantime, I'll continue posting daily profit and loss updates in my channel's community tab.